Hello there, welcome to the channel Tech Trends. This is me, your friend. So today we are going to discuss.
You started the video without me, huh? That's not good.
I am so sorry about that.
So what's the motive of the video?
Come, we'll explain to you. Today we are gonna tell you guys how to record or stream your computer screen for free, and also we'll talk in details about OBS Studio. For recording your screen you guys need the OBS Studio. To get OBS Studio, just follow the screen. The link for the site is there in the description.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Oh, the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it.
Just follow the steps to install OBS Studio. I already have the application, so I am not gonna install it again. To stream anything, just open YouTube in your PC. Then click on live stream button and then on stream button. Copy the stream code from there and paste it in OBS key settings just as I did here.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Oh, the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my streets. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny, your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong.
Let's talk about the features of OBS Studio. To add facecam, click on plus button, then video capture device. Select your device and click on OK. To resize and position the cam, just double click it and move it anywhere you want.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only.
Similar way you can add media source to your ongoing screen. Just click on plus button, then media source, and select your source.
With you, wish that I could build a time machine.
Text could also be added in the similar way. Type any text and just place it anywhere on the screen you want.
I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time.
OBS Studio also comes with studio mode, where one could edit scenes and could swipe between transition. Audio input and output could also be added in a similar way. Game capture facility also comes enable here, where one could share the screen of a particular game just.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
The most important part, you could also share any live website on our screen or live stream. Just click on pursue button and browser, put the URL there, and bang, the website is live on our screen.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do, and I wish that I could put a time machine.
That's all for today. Hope you guys liked the video. If you really did, then please click on like button. New to the channel, then please subscribe us. Give suggestions for our next video in the comments section. We'll meet you all again soon.